Hello, this is George. Welcome back to George Basics, and in today's video I will talk about Shibnobi. I will talk about the price of Shibnobi, why did it drop, and also have got some latest news about Shinja. So watch the video until the end. Don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. We are very near to 3000 subscribers. Let's reach this goal. And also I want to remind you that this is not a financial advice and I'm not a financial advisor. This video has an entertaining purpose and it's just my opinion. When things goes to crypto, you should always remember that crypto is highly regulated and there are some risks of losing your money. So before you decide to put your money into crypto, please do your own research and be careful. Okay, we can begin our short update about Shinja. First of all, let's check the situation in the market. The price is down by 12% in last 24 hours, and if you look at the chart, it looks like this. We had this huge drop here, and you guys may ask what happened, and the answer is one of the huge holders sold his tokens and the price dropped. He broke the rules and he sold about 728 Ethereum's worth tokens, and that's why the price dropped here. And after that there was little panic in the market. Some of the holders also sold their tokens, and also there was an impact of the global crypto market which is dropping in these days, and this was also bad signal for the price of Shinja. Finally, Shinja's price stopped dropping. It's stable at the moment. And I think that in these days and in this week, Shinja's price will go up again because we are waiting for some huge events, and I will talk about this in this video. But before that, let's check the number of holders. Finally, we reached 55,000 holders. We have got exactly 55,270 holders. And the total market cap is more than $500 million and the daily trading volume is more than $5 million. So if you look at the buyers and sellers at the moment, half of the people are selling and half of them are buying. So this is the situation in the market, and I'm very bullish on Shinja. I think that Shinja is able to recover after this drops and the price will go up in these days. But remember that this is just my opinion and I'm telling you my opinion. I'm not financial advisor. I'm just telling what I'm thinking about Shibnobi. And also I want to show you some latest news about Shinja. First of all, I want to show you this tweet. Shibnobi remind us that DojoSwap is loading. We are waiting for DojoSwap app and this will be very huge in the first quarter of this year, and we are a few weeks away from this moment, and this is very good thing about Shibnobi. And also Shibnobi posted this update about SafeMoon. SafeMoon has gotten back to us on our request to list slightly earlier, and we will be listing on their swap on Wednesday, February 9th. We all knew that Shinja should have been added on SafeMoon swap on 18th February, and instead of 18th February, Shinja will be listed on SafeMoon swap 9th February, and this is also another great news. Also, don't forget about Gate.io. Shinja will be listed on Gate.io on 13th February, and I'm waiting for this moment because Gate.io is in top 10 huge exchanges in the world. We have got some updates from the last AMA, and let's read all of these things. Presale violator. I talked about this in the beginning of this video. As everyone's likely aware by now, we had another private sale investor that broke the rules and sold 728 Ethereum worth of Shinja this morning. His wallet has been blacklisted and the remainder of his tokens, 84 quintillion, will be burned. Fake Twitter accounts. Cliff is currently being impersonated on Twitter, so please ensure you follow his real Twitter account, which is this. Marketing wallet. FUD has been spreading on Twitter about some of the transactions occurring in the marketing wallet. As Cliff has stated a few times now, due to the market health, he has been converting the Ethereum in this wallet into USDC USDT in order to maintain stability until the market recovers. The value is still there. Cliff is not cashing out the funds. I also read the news from SafeMoon. Some questions are going around on Twitter about why airdrops are even occurring. As most of us already know, these airdrops are for our private pre-sale investors that provided the initial liquidity of the project. They were not given all of their tokens at once, but instead in installments over time. They also had a set of rules for selling that they were required to follow. Due to the few private sale investors that violated them, these rules were made even more strict and the token distributions were stretched out over a longer period. They still have not received the last 20% of their vested tokens. Reassurance Cliff stated that dumps will inevitably happen again. That's just the nature of trading. We will climb back up a new all-time high and investors will begin to take large profits. And then we climb back up a new all-time high again. Many successful projects have gone through the same thing. Shiba Inu, SafeMoon, etc. Our community needs to remember not to panic when this happens, but instead realize that we have not even started launching utilities yet. This is just the beginning. Token versus coin. There seems to still be some concern regarding the launch of our coin with the Kusari blockchain. There will be migration period at launch in which investors will have option to trade all of some of their tokens for the coin. Again, the token will still remain very relevant in our ecosystem. The token and the coin will be breached, and so nobody will lose any value regardless if they choose to migrate or not. There will also be a lot of functions and features in various sections of our ecosystem that will aid in doing buybacks and burns of token supply, further increasing the value. So that's all the latest information we have got about Shinja, and in the end of this video I'll repeat that there is nothing to panic. This is just normal situation. The price pumps and dumps and we shouldn't worry about this. Shinja is a huge project. The huge things are coming, for example Dojo Swap, Kusari blockchain, Crypto Expo in Dubai. Don't forget about these huge listings in these days and in these weeks, and Shinja's price will recover. We will have another all-time high, so you shouldn't panic about this. I'm not selling my tokens, I'm not going to sell them, and I'm waiting for huge gains from Shibnobi. Thank you for watching, thank you for clicking like button, thank you for subscribing. See you in the next video.